of people, huge efforts, thousands of choices, yet Odia people's caliber of standing out of crowd is commendable. In last few years, dominance of incredible brains of Odisha in top positions with their powerful decisions is making the entire state delighted and proud. Regaining the strength of economy while everyone lost hopes, the magic mantra of now RBI governor who got a remarkable extension of 3 years for his position is Shaktikant Das, a 1980 batch Tamil Nadu cadre IAS officer who is from Bhubaneswar. Earlier, he was also appointed as the Revenue Secretary, Fertilizer Secretary, Special Secretary at Department of Economic Affairs in the Finance Ministry. The potential of Odisha is more elaborated as we look at the occupancy of 2 union ministries birthed by Dharmendra Pradhan and Vishweshwar Tudu. While Pradhan got charge of Ministry of Education and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Tudu has the Ministry of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti and Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Being the inaugural Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, Girish Chandra Murmu, who hails from Odisha's Mayurbhanj, is now the 14th Comptroller and Auditor General of India and the External Auditor of the Inter-Parliamentary Union. He is also the Chairman of United Nations Panel of External Auditors and the Asian Organization of Supreme Audit Institutions. Moreover, he was Principal Secretary to Narendra Modi during his tenure as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. The scientist hailing from Bhadrak, Odisha's Dr. Mrityunjay Mahapatra is the Director General of India Meteorological Department, fondly called Cyclone Man of India, as he is known to have precisely predicted the path of cyclones such as Philene, Titli and Lubna. Being the first Odia to assume the position, Lieutenant General Chandi Prasad Mohanty is the Vice Chief of Army Staff. Mohanty belongs to Jayawada village of Jagatsinghpur. In a career spanning 4 decades, the officer served in numerous positions in field and highly active counterinsurgency environments. It's also being heard there's probabilities of him being the next chief of the army staff. Known to be the most trusted bureaucrat to Prime Minister Modi, senior Odisha-born IAS officer Pramod Kumar Mishra, who hails from Sambalpur, is the Principal Secretary to Prime Minister. As Secretary in the Union Ministry of Agriculture between 2006 and 2008, Mishra was credited with the implementation of the National Agriculture Development Programme and the National Food Security Mission. Born at Godijhara village in Puri district, Biswabhushan Harichandan, the present governor of Andhra Pradesh, was elected to Odisha Assembly for 5 times from Chilika and Bhubaneswar constituencies. The octogenarian was a cabinet minister in the BJD-BJP coalition government in 2004. He began his political career as a member of Bharatiya Jana Sangh in 1971. Bureau Report, Bhubaneswar.